Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I made a big pot of black soup. This is what I'm dishing right now. I've already prepared it. It's called black soup. I use scent leaf and curry leaf and banga to make the soup. This is me dishing the food to put it in the fridge. So I already dished the fried rice and some chicken. I made two different kind of Nigeria food, fried rice and black soup. This is the soup that I'm dishing. I have to dish in this other small plate so I can put it in the fridge. I already dished the rice. You guys will be seeing the rice soon as I'm done dishing the soup. So that's it. If you want to know how I prepare this delicious soup, I made a live stream when I was preparing the food. You can as well check it out on my live stream videos on this my channel to see how I prepare the delicious soup. So guys, that's it. Please enjoy the video and please do well to watch to the end to support me. Thank you so much. And also guys, I want to know, how do you prepare your black soup? How do you prepare your black soup? Because I know we Nigerians, we have different ways which we prepare our black soup, because we are from different states and all of that, and we have different delicacy. Where me, I'm from Edo State. This is how we prepare our black soup. We normally use different kind of leaf. We use scent leaf, curry leaf, oziza leaf. There's one other one they used to call, we call it a bewewe. I don't know how to say it in English. So guys, these are the food. You can as well drop it at the comment section for me to know how well you prepare your black soup. So these are all the food. I'll be putting it in the fridge. This is going to last for me at least for a week and some days, if I'm not even mistaken. So this is the fried rice that I'll be eating. So, and also I made the live stream also how I prepared the fried rice is also on this my channel. You can as well check it out to see how I prepare this delicious fried rice. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate all the love and support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this is me. I've put all the food in the fridge. So guys, bye. See you in my next